Hi everyone, welcome to Hibernate tutorial. In our previous tutorial, we have seen this HQL. We were covering the topic HQL, in which we have covered how we can select all the records from the database with the help of HQL. And in our previous example, we have select the user class, and with respect to that, we have user table in the database in which we have two records, and we have displayed those two records on the console. So here you can see that we have these two records on the console. Now what we will do, we will do this update operation. Now for update operation, we need this transaction management. And how we will do that, we will first create the transactions is equal to session dot begin transaction, and after that we will write the query. So our query will be this query is equal to session dot create query, and we will write this query on the console. So we will just copy this part. So here you can see that we have added this query queue, and now we will set these values, new updated values, in the query queue. So here queue dot set parameter, so at position n we will have now values. So our next values will be Anil, and queue dot set parameter at position I, we have to give the ID where ID is 2. So in the database we have this test, so its username should be replaced with the Anil. So let's see. And after that, what we will do, queue dot execute updates. So we have this execute update function which will return the status, and we will display the status on the console. So int status is equal to this, and sysout status is status, and we have to close the transaction. Commit the transactions, and after that we will display that on the console if that is updated or not. So let's run this part. Unknown column name. So where is the name? We have username. Let's run this part again. Here you can see that now we have this telecom, but our test is replaced with the Anil. So earlier we have username this test. Now we will see. So here you can see that our username is Anil. So we have updated our user from the database. So next part which we will cover the delete operation. What we will do, we will create a query, and after this query we will delete the particular user. So here what we will do, right now suppose we want to delete the second records from the database. So here in the delete query we will write the query as delete from user where ID is equal to. So we will write this query and we will update our query, execute update, and we will see. Let's run this part. So here you can see that status is 1, and now we have only one record in the database. So it has successfully deleted the other record. So up to now, what we have covered the HQL Hibernate Query Language, in which we have covered the how we can get the list from the database using HQL, how we can update the records in the database, and how we can delete the records from the database. So thank you for watching the video.